This is Motorola Moto G42, and in today's video we would like to share and show the top 5 pro tips and features for this smartphone. So to start off, we wanted to highlight the fact that you can use your fingerprint as the unlock method, the screen unlock method to be precise. So let's go ahead and set this option active. So in here you want to launch the settings, then enter the security category, and at the security page you'll see the fingerprint section. Prior to enrolling any biometrics, should it be fingerprint or face, it is required that we have the backup unlock methods enabled as well. The list of available methods that we can choose from is pattern, pin, or password. I'll go with pattern personally. Draw the pattern that I would like to use and confirm it. Here, choose what notification content will be shown, and here we can start enrolling the fingerprint. The scanner is located right at the unlock button or power button that is right here. So in order for the fingerprint to be enrolled or added, you gotta simply lay and lift your finger onto the sensor until the entire surface of your fingerprint gets recognized. Make sure to slightly rotate your finger each time you lay it onto the scanner, so the scanning process will go correctly, should I say. Alrighty, so the fingerprint has been successfully enrolled. Let's test it out in action, I guess. As you can see, my display, the screen, gets unlocked without any issues or difficulties at all. The next feature or tip is also located at this page, and as you could already guess, it is the face unlock, the second biometrical way of unlocking the display of your mobile device. In order for it to be enrolled, you gotta simply scan your face. Just place your face inside the circle frame. I'll do it off the screen real quick and get it scanned. Alrighty, so I have successfully enrolled mine. So let's test this unlock method as well. As you can see, once I align my face with the selfie camera, it gets unlocked without any issues, though we might have some minor hold-offs, but it's not that big of the deal. Alrighty, so the third feature option that we would like to highlight is located at the display category of settings, so let's enter it. It is called the peak display, and it's basically the Motorola alternative for a very well-known option that is the always on display. So let's turn it on. That's how it looks. In here we can go into the settings, choose what clock design we would like to have. I'll go with this one, for example, since it shows not only time but also the current battery health, the current power I have left. You can customize it. The customizations are very humble, to say at the very least. So we can either turn on or turn off the animated background. There is also the animated background toggle for the big display in general that you can switch on or switch off, as well as there is an opportunity to enable or disable the tap to wake feature, the vibrate on touch feature, the safe reply feature, and also create some kind of a blocked apps, the notifications from which will not be shown at the peak display. So we highly recommend that you go ahead, enter the settings, and configure the peak display to your liking. Alrighty, the next tip slash feature slash option is the fact that this magnificent smartphone has the pre-installed Dolby Atmos app as well as Dolby Atmos technology, therefore. So you gotta simply look for it. And Dolby Atmos allows you to configure and set up some music playing presets for speakers that quite a few presets standardly to choose from, as well as the custom that you can, well, configure and manage the equalizer options for. So if you would like to play with the sounds, change it a little bit, make it so the speakerphone sound will fit some particular music genre, for example, we highly recommend that you check out the Dolby Atmos app. And as you can see, not only the edit option is present for the custom preset that is obviously custom for this very reason, but you can also open the equalizer settings for each of those presets and configure it for however you like. And fifth and final tip, should it be, is a very small one, way smaller and shorter than any previous thing that we were highlighting in this video. It is located at the battery category, and this just small battery percentage toggle. So once we switch it on, as you can see, it will display the current power left, the current battery state, right near the icon itself at the status bar. So at any given time, you will be able to precisely understand how much power have you left. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.